How to put someone's story on your story on Instagram. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I will guide you on how you can put someone's story on your story on Instagram, so make sure to watch the video till the end. So if you want to put someone else's story to your own story on Instagram, it's actually quite very simple to do so. All you have to do is open up Instagram and understand that there are two types of scenarios over here. One is if you are mentioned or tagged in the story. The other is if you are not tagged in the story. Now if you are mentioned or tagged in the story, what you can do is you can simply open up your friend's story where you're tagged, and then you'll find a pop-up that says add this to your story. Now in my case, nobody has tagged me in a certain story. If they have on your, you'll also find the message in the DMs icon where you can directly share it to your own story. But assuming that you are not mentioned in any of these stories, what you have to do is, if you want to share someone's story, if it's a photo, take a screenshot of it. If it's a video, you have to take a screen recording of it in order to record it. Now once you've done that, all you have to do is just go and try to upload a story. Select that particular photo over here. If you want to crop it, you can do that, and then you can also mention that person by tapping the mention icon and adding up their username. This way you will be able to put someone's story on your story on Instagram. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any questions, feel free to also leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.